Welcome! In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to create collapsible sections in Confluence to keep your pages clean and organized. First, when you're editing your page, you'll want to bring up the expand macro by typing /expand, then choosing it from the list that appears. Give your collapsible section a descriptive title so readers know what's inside before they expand it. Now you can fill in whatever content you'd like to hide within this expandable block, whether it's text, images, or other elements. To collapse the section and preview how it will look, just click the down arrow here and you'll see the content tuck away neatly. Finally, publish or update your page and the section will appear collapsed by default, letting viewers expand it whenever they need to see what's inside. That's all there is to it. You now know how to create collapsible sections to make your Confluence pages more organized and reader-friendly.